I don't know if I tagged Chris in this or not, but I'm going to do a DIY real quick just to show you guys how easy this is. I already have some of the transfers already put on here, and I did one earlier just to kind of show you what it looks like on a chalkboard. And I've already stuck some of them on there too. Pretty much, let me see, hold on. Like, for me, I have to do this with clean hands because like I always constantly have like chalk and paint all over me, so and it's crazy. But pretty much all of our transfers, they all come with instructions on the back, and usually they're a pain in the butt to get off, but not today. You just peel it off and stick it on whatever surface you want to. I have a really hard time using it on canvases because for some reason it like bleeds. I think you have to like wax that surface, but chalkboard is super duper easy. I think I'm gonna do this flower over here. And then another one. Like this came on one big transfer sheet and I cut them all individually, so it was easier to do. And then I like I said, the instructions are on the back, but usually they, I just throw them away because yeah, I'm supposed to be a pro over here. But here's our green squeegees. I think the first one I'm gonna do is probably the yellow. I don't know what this one's called. Chad, you know what this one's called? The yellow. It didn't have a label on it. But anyways, you want to make sure that you always stir them because it's like they get really chalky and gritty. Can you look it up? Please? I got so many more colors, but I'm like limited right now because I just got my kit, and I bought 2 other ones the other day. But I will be getting there soon. A little bit of this stuff goes a long, long way, just so you know. Like, I cut my squeegee like it was bigger, and I cut it so it's easier for me to do like smaller, you know, transfers. But basically, you just get a little on your squeegee, and you just squeeze it on. Dexter, get out from under me. And then you just put back what you don't use back in here, and then like basically you take the other side of the squeegee and you just squeegee all the excess off. Like a little goes a long, long way. I couldn't believe it, but it's true. And then you just peel back your transfer. And voila. See how cute? And whenever you're done with them, I just throw them in some soap water like that, and they clean up like so easily. And then you just put them in a paper towel, and they're still sticky, so you can use them again and again and again. But anyways, I'm sure you're tired of hearing me, so I'm gonna continue to do this, and y'all can just watch. And make sure you put your lids back on, because I think I almost dried this thing out like 4 times already, just playing with it. Find a color for me. That one and the pink didn't have a color name on it. Maybe my fellow, who is this person? Wrong house. I can't see if any of y'all are talking because I'm blind and I can't see the camera that far away. But yeah. Oh man, pink got yellow in it. Mm-hmm. Paper towel. Okay. I had Peyton helping me, and she put way too much soap in that water, so like I get suds all over my fingers. And like if you, especially with this chalkboard, if you get the paste somewhere that you don't want it, it completely washes off. Like, I'll show you a little bit of it when I'm done. But like over here, like I did it this, like I didn't want it all over here, and it like just wiped right off. It doesn't do it very well on like wood and stuff, but chalkboard is amazing.
It's just Chalkology orange.
Oh, well there you have it. It's Chalkology orange.
The yellow is lemon yellow.
I don't have yellow. Or do I? Oh, no, I don't have yellow. But my Chalk and Buddy Jennifer has all the colors. I'm so jelly. I'm like the messiest person in the world when it comes to painting. Voila! So easy. I think I'm just gonna do the rest of these all white. Or maybe one. Yeah. You like the evergreen one, Jen? I just stirred all my chalks up before, so they're all nice and clumpy. See how little I used, and then it's like I still have a whole bunch to put back in. No, watch those for me. Do this. Hey, Peyton.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Yeah, good.
Gonna be a movie star?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Do you want to do one in a minute on the camera, Peyton? To show you how easy this is to use. Even a 10-year-old can use it. The first time I ever did this, I went to 23 Junk Street and met Jennifer, and her little girl has to be maybe only 2 years younger than Peyton, maybe, and she was just in there chalking it up. I know if Chad can chalk couture, y'all can chalk couture. It's so easy. Right, babe?
Yeah.
I think I have him addicted. Like, he loves to do it. Like, I have him build, like, I just told him I wanted him to build me a frame the other day, and now he's got like 15 different things in here framed up. Huh. What do you want to do, Peyton?
Like what design?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
You can look at my book.
Where's your book?
Yeah, I need you just sitting on it.
Who's that?
Again? That's done. And voila! Look at how pretty. And just so y'all know, like I was saying earlier, whenever I was doing my unboxing, like, because I got this frame, which I absolutely love, and like, you can seal this stuff, but like, for this one, I would probably do it completely different all the time. Like, I would do like a Christmas one, and then wipe it all off, and then do like a Valentine's Day one. But it's so simple. Like, you could just take Clorox wipes, like so, and it just. Wipes it off. Like. Ta-da! See how easy that is? Here, hold that for me, please. And like, I don't know if y'all are watching Chad wash his logo, if you can even see it, but like, just have some soapy water and put your transfer in. Just rub all paint off of it. It's easier if I get like, once I clean it really good in the water, like get a paper towel, where I put paper towel on it. And then just wipe it all off. Working here. And if you don't believe me that it sticks, you see that real quick. Make sure it's completely dry. Voila! And you can use it over and over and over and over and over. Like, see, I just like kind of like left them in the water for a little bit because I'm using like really light colors. But like, I was watching Jennifer's daughter do one and she used a bright red, and like she's like, oh my god! Like immediately, whenever you use those brighter colors that are kind of hard to wash off, like immediately wash your transfer because it could possibly stain it. But isn't that cool? Alrighty, I'm gonna put my my website in the comments, and if you ever want to book a party with me, just give me a call. Or you can, I'm probably gonna start putting make and takes, like certain dates and times on my page, Vintage Soul, and it'll be at 23 Junk Street. It's on Industrial. I can't remember the exact address right now. Sorry, but